Hello everybody, my name is CrupSteve101, and today we are going to be playing Dark Deception. Now, back in, in my first videos, I played Dark Deception Chapter 1 and 2, but, I never actually continued it, so I'm just gonna restart from now.
Dark Deception.
Oh boy. Anyway, yeah, let's just get into it. It is done. Now my faith lies in darkness. Don't think that's the best place for it. Oh. Oh, hello.
Hello there.
Beers. So, I tried recording this, series once. But, unfortunately, some, problem with, the recording studio, did not let it, work. So we're retrying it this time.
Oh, another one. How nice to have some company again.
Oh, great.
Come over here. Let's have a look at you.
Think I'm close enough.
You disappoint me, love. You really do. So many fears.
I just got here. What did I do?
So many desires. I thought you'd be bigger.
Hey! Just because I'm skinny doesn't mean I'm not strong.
Don't look so confused.
Actually, I'm probably not strong at all.
I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours. I know all the terrible things you've done. So many good intentions laid to waste. I could see the regret eating away at your soul.
What did I do?
But now your time has come, and here you are, to grovel and beg.
Yeah, I don't think that's why I'm here.
You can't go back. Only death awaits you there now.
Oh, great.
Fear not, love. You've got potential. I see it in you. And I can help change your fate.
Okay.
But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it.
I don't think that's worth it. I don't think that's worth it. Anyway, this is chapter 1, I guess. Okay. Bierce's ballroom.
The pieces to a powerful ring are hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals. Find them and bring them to me, and you'll get your wish. Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
Can I, open a door? I guess not. Okay. Onto the monkey with blood, or ketchup.
Clock's ticking.
Clock's ticking, okay. Let's just go into the void portal where you can't see anything. Monkey business, okay. Can I go? I can't move.
What a
there we go.
Charming little hotel.
Ring for service.
Bring back any memories?
Yeah, the ring for service. It brings back Lethal Company memories. Now, give me service. Where's the weird tentacle thing? Whoa! Hi. Okay, welcome. Breakfast and murder free every day until 10 a.m. Oh, great. I don't think I'll be, here at 10 a.m. Anyway, hello, sir. Thank you. There's an imposter among us, lads. Uh-oh. Why, thank you. Are you the imposter? So this guy has, a weird little, toy thing on his back, so... I guess I'll just... I'm sorry, I guess I scared you, although you scared me too, so I guess we're even now. Okay, well, I guess I'll just have to wait for that elevator. What is that? I mean, I know it's a monkey, but what is that around it? What's going on? Ah, bing bong. Bing bong ding dong. Let me in. There we go.
Going up?
Sure. Oh, we're here. Uh-oh. Was that the light flickering or me blinking? What's going on? Oh.
Now listen closely. See those floating bits of crystal? Those are soul
Hi, no one's home.
Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze.
Ah.
Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here. Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours.
Okay, so each of these shards is a
You're not alone. There are
someone who has not someone who has died here, basically.
Here, you'll need
That's
this.
interesting. Oh god.
It can detect each shard's location.
289 deaths?
By the last guest to disappoint me here.
Last guest to disappoint.
Very clever girl. Just not a very fast runner. Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
Okay, but I'm not sure if this is correct, but in my other episodes I got a connection with like that clever girl, so keep that in mind because I feel like that might be important for like the story. Oh, we're in. Oh god! Help! Help me!
Congratulations.
Okay, we got this secret. I remember that from, like, the first episode. Oh. Ah! What the?
Dead already? That's okay. Nobody liked you anyway.
Hey! Anyway, I got cornered by all three monkeys. Let's do this. Already? Okay. Oh dear jeez. Oh dear jeez. Okay, let's try and get, like, the outer area first, I guess. Okay, wait, there's something weird with that area. There's like a thing in the map, so I'm gonna open this. Here we go. Got it.
That must have been hard to find.
Hi. Okay, we got a good charge streak, so let's just keep it. My hair. Uh-oh. Hello. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Give me that enemy reveal. Hello. Oh no. I'm cornered.
Death by monkey? Oh dear. How embarrassing.
I got cornered again. How dare. They're playing dirty. Uh-oh. Well, hello. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! I was looking at my map. I was looking at my map. Oh, God. Okay, okay. Too close, too close, too close. Okay, look ahead, look ahead. Oh, God. Help. Somebody help. Okay, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, we're doing pretty good. Uh-oh. Oh, hi! Oh wait, I went the wrong way, dang it! Oh god. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Okay, 29 shards left. That's pretty good. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Okay. I have one in sight, but there's two more. Okay. They're all over the map. This is the problem. Okay, give me that enemy stun. I need it. 100 charge streak. Let's go. Okay, enemy stun. Enemy stun. Oh god, he's right behind me. Okay, I got pretty far away from them. Or not, I guess. Okay. Wait, where are the rest of the shards? There's only 6 more. There they are, there they are, there they are. Run, 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 run. Help! Whoa, 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 whoa! I didn't actually want that to open. Okay, never mind. And I got them all, got them all, got them all, got them all.
You've gathered all of the soul shards.
Oh god, yeah, I remember this.
Now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy.
Okay, you gotta distract them.
Ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You are dead.
Oh my god. That freaked me out.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece
Oh my god, where did that third one come from?
The monsters will go into
Hi.
the ring piece before
Hi.
Mr. Monkey finds you.
Okay, I got it. I made it this time. Oh. Okay, where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Nobody's home.
Shoot, he knows you're here now.
Who?
You need to escape. Get to the portal.
Yeah, okay, we're in.
Hello there.
Hi! I told you nobody's home. Yeah, seems like a lot of monkeys just lost the game at Fortnite, so don't know what to do about that.
Royale, yeah, Fortnite, we about to get down. Get down.
Uh-oh.
Kills on the board right now, just wiped out Tomato Town.
Okay. What the? Whoa, 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 whoa! I'd not sign up for that. Whoa, 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 whoa! What the? Whoa! Okay, almost died by the receptionist. A rank. Okay, bonus shards and secrets. We got them all. I don't freaking care about that, though. Next. Ooh, skill points. Nice. Holy. Okay, hi, Beers.
Good. You made it. And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
The monkeys? Because they suck. Oh, the door? Is the door your friend? Oh.
Veer.
The eye is your friend.
Still so persistent after all this time.
Okay.
Do not listen to her, mortal. She's just using you. Give her the ring, and there will be consequences.
Consequences, whatever.
This is your only
The way I said that, what the hell?
Help her, and you will suffer.
Okay.
Pay no attention to him. His powers cannot reach you here. The ring piece. Place it on the table, now!
Okay, Mom.
It's been so long. The ring is called the Riddle of Heaven. An ironic name, don't you think? A
Sure.
demon's power is contained inside it.
Yeah,
A creature of infinite cruelty
ironic.
you just met. Malik.
Oh, okay, so either the eyeball is Malik or the weird
Complete
voice
the
at the
ring,
end was Malik.
And you can use Malik's power to fulfill
The one that said, "Who
your
dares?"
darkest desires. Or so the legend goes.
Okay. I don't know why we need this ring and why she's all like creepy over here, but okay.
8 more pieces to go. Are you ready for another nightmare?
But there's 10 no. There's 10 portals, Beers. I don't think you can count, but there's 10 portals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we just did 1. So that means 9 left, Beers. Unless she's counting that one. I don't know, but anyway, hi Malik.
I see you.
Yeah, I can tell. Anyway, goodbye. Okay, so that's for next episode. So, thank you all for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Next episode, we will be doing, what was it again? Chapter 2. So, this portal and this portal. So, again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!
I see you.
Shut up.